Okay, run.
Run to the door.
Nice doggy.
Nice doggy.
Oh, the little black one the big black one got scared.
Come here, boy. You gotta call him. Say, come on, puppies.
Oh.
Just to stop moving.
Puppies.
Yeah. Just gonna give the big black one some love.
Puppies.
He
Come on,
got
puppies.
scared.
Oh.
Oh no.
We'll lean over, honey, and see if he's just being a whiner or if he's...
Come on, Kylie.
What?
Come on.
He's okay, isn't he?
It just scared him. He's like a really chill
This one's
puppy.
very scary.
Yeah, he's a really, really calm puppy.
Well, bring him to me. What'd you do?
You wanna hold? Are you gonna hold him?
Oh, it's the two
It's on your lap because they haven't had a bath.
Come here. I know, they weren't playing. They were only playing with each other.
Oh, that
Puppy.
was huge.
Bring me that puppy, Kylie. Bring me that puppy right here.
Kylie.
I'll get him.
Oh, come here. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay, okay. It's okay.
How come you got the ashtray next to your arm?
Because it was on the floor.
Oh.
Here, puppy. It's okay, puppy. Yeah. It's okay.
So the weather's gonna kind of thwart our plan.
Woo! I like when they run and their ears go flying back.